Hi, what is the value of x given that you have x to the power of 6 equals open bracket x minus 2 close the bracket to the power of 6? So what will be the value of x? Then let's see solution. Then from here we have x to the power of 6. Let's take this to the side. We have minus x minus 2 and parentheses to the power of 6. Then let's set everything to be equals to 0. But we can have 6 to be equals 2 times 3. So from here we can have here to be x to the power of 2 times 3 minus x minus 2 in parentheses to the power of 2 times 3. Then we have everything to be equal 0. So having known this one, let us recall that when we have a to the power of m times n can be simplified as a to the power of m parentheses to the power of n. So when we apply this expression here, we can simply have this as x to the power of 3 in parentheses to the power of 2 minus x minus 2 in parentheses to the power of 2 again to the power of 3 to the power of 2 then equals 0. Then let us recall that when we have a square minus b square, this is a difference of 2 square, and this can be simplified as a plus b in parentheses multiplied by a minus b in parentheses. So when we apply it here, we can have here to be x to the power of 3 plus x minus 2 in parentheses to the power of 3. We close the first, then multiply by this will be x minus x to the power of 3 minus plus minus x minus 2 in parentheses to the power of 3. Then we have everything to be equal 0. Then from here, for this expression to be equal 0, is either we have x plus 3 plus x minus 2 in parentheses to the power of 3 equals 0, or we have x to the power of 3 minus x minus 2 in parentheses to the power of 3 equals 0. So then let's say case 1. When we have a to the power of 3 plus b to the power of 3 always equals as when we have a plus b in parentheses, then multiply by a square minus ab plus b square. So from here, we are going to have here to be x, our a is x, then our b is x minus 2. So here will be plus, open bracket, x minus 2 as this, then multiply by here will be x square, our a is x, b is x minus 2, then multiply by x is our b is x minus 2 to the power of 2. Then we have everything to be equal 0. So when you open this bracket, here will be 2x minus 2 in parentheses. This man will be x square. When you open this with this, you have minus x square. Minus times minus will be plus 2 times this will be plus 2x. Open this one will be x square again minus 4x plus 4. We close it equals 0. So from here we have 2x minus 2. Then here this and this will cancel. So we are going to have x square plus 2x minus 4x. Here will be minus 2x plus 4 then equals 0. So from here we can factor 2 out. So here will be 2 outside, then x minus 1. Here will be x square minus 2x plus 4 equals 0. So dividing through by 2, this and this will cancel. So we have x minus 1 in parentheses multiplied by x square minus 2x plus 4 equals 0. So therefore from here is either we have x minus 1 equals 0, or we have x squared minus 2x plus 4 to be equal 0. So therefore from here we have x to be equals 1 as our first resolution. Then from here as well, we can get the possible value of x by applying the quadratic formula, where we are going to have x to be equals minus b, positive or negative, then root of b squared minus 4ac divided by 2a. So this will be x equals, our b is the coefficient of x, which is minus 2. So here will be minus into minus 2, positive or negative. Here will also be minus 2 in parentheses to the power of 2 minus 4 multiplied by a is 1, the coefficient of x squared. Our c is 4, the constant, then all divided by 2 times a, which is 1. So from here we have x to be equals, minus times minus will be 2, positive or negative, root of this will be 4, this times this will be minus 16 divided by 2, then this will be equals to positive or negative, root of 4 minus 16 will give us minus 12 divided by 2. So from here we have x to be equals to positive or negative. We can have this as 3 times 4 times minus 1. It gives us this minus 12 divided by 2. So we can have this as x will be equals to positive or negative root 3 multiplied by root 4 multiplied by root of minus 1, all divided by 2. So from here we have x to be equals to positive or negative root 4 will give us 2 multiplied by root 3. Then when we have roots of minus 1, always give us I. So here will be I, then divided by 2. So we have s to be equals this divided by this, positive or negative 2 root 3i divided by 2. So we have s to be equals 1, positive or negative root 3i. And we also have x to be equals 1 to be the first solution. Then let's go along with case. Let's go along with case 2. Where we have x to the power of 3 minus x minus 2 to the power of 3 equals 0. Then when we have a to the power of 3 minus b to the power of 3 equals a minus b, then multiply by a squared plus ab plus b squared. So now from here we are going to have this minus this will be x minus x into x minus 2, then multiply by here will be x squared plus a is x, b x minus 2, b squared will be x minus 2 squared, then we have everything to be equal 0. So from here we have x, here will be also be minus x minus 2, a plus 2, sorry. Then here will be x squared, multiply this will be x squared minus 2x. Here will be x squared minus 4x plus 4 equals 0. So this man, this we cancel, so we have 2 outside. Please, this plus this, x squared plus x squared plus x squared, we have here to be 3x squared. So we are going to have from here to be 3x squared. This and this will be minus 6x. This will be 4 equals 0. Divided by 2. This and this we cancel, so we have 3x squared minus 6x plus 4 equals 0. So from here it is obvious Now we're going to have x to be equals, here will be minus into minus 6, positive or negative, minus 6 square. 4 multiplied by a is 3, divided by c is 4, divided by 2 times 3. So we have x to be equals 6, positive or negative. Root of this will be 36. Then this will be 48, all divided by 2 times 3. There will be 6. So we have x to be equals 6, positive or negative, root of minus 12 divided by 6. So we have from here x to be equals 6, positive or negative, root of 3 times 4 times minus 1 divided by 6. So we have x to be equals 6, positive or negative. This will give us 3 root 3 multiplied by root 4 multiplied by root of minus 1 divided by 2. So we have x to be equals 6, positive or negative. This will be 2 root 3i divided by 6. So when we divide through by 6, here will be s equals, this divided by this will be 1, positive or negative. This divided by this will be root 3i divided by 3. So this is another solution. And we also have x to be equals 1, comma 1, positive or negative, root 3i. So if you are new here and find this video interesting, don't forget to share, like, comment, and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more math tutorial videos. Bye bye.